and welcome to our Ecoworks doghouse project. This design was carefully thought out to create a doghouse that was both environmentally sustainable and safe for someone's pet to live in. We wanted to also create something that was aesthetically pleasing. In order to do so, we decided to incorporate a farmhouse theme that included a windmill, red paint made from non-toxic materials, and a rainwater collection system. All of these were incorporated into our design with the safety of the dog in mind. Such considerations also included ensuring that the build was made from sustainably healthier materials and overall comfortable for the dog to live in, especially in all types of weather conditions.
To make sure our roof is sustainable, we are utilizing recycled and repurposed wood to build our main building structures and roof. We are using reused DIM and recycled fabricates as insulation between walls. Our doghouse has gathered on the side of the rooftop, so that we could store the rainwater to our water tank for further use. In addition, we added windmill on the top of the roof to generate clean electricity for the doghouse.
The structure of our doghouse is designed to withstand different weather conditions. The doghouse is raised in case of flooding and has a slanted roof that angles downwards to the back of the doghouse so that rainfall doesn't accumulate on the roof and can fall in the rainwater collector. We also added a window on one of the sides to increase airflow. The roof also hangs past all four sides of the doghouse so that water doesn't enter the doghouse in case of rain.
And most importantly, we want the doghouse to be comfortable, especially with the temperature change in the area. Hence, with the wall of the house, cotton denims from recycled clothes are utilized. Such insulation will aid to ensure that the inside of the house remains at a comfortable temperature for the dog. Creativity is one of the important things in our design. Our doghouse is like a small house with sloped roof. This design can efficiently protect our dog from heavy rain and snow. Our wood materials come from wood fence panels and leftover wood planks from local construction site. Fabricates and dims come from local recycle stations.
Our doghouse is free of any paints or chemical finishes. The wooden walls and floors are double layered with a layer of recycled denim in between. Because it is double layered, it's unlikely a dog will be able to chew through the wood, and the recycled denim is a tough enough material that the dog won't be able to chew through that either.
To creating this design, we first looked up a typical doghouse online and did research to study the basic structure for a doghouse. Considering the sustainability decision, which is collect rooftop waters, we chose to make a single sloped roof design. Because of the slope, the water can easily flow to our gutters and be collected. For the material choices, we did research and knew that fabricates and denims are good for heat preservation. To protect our dog from ingesting those fabricates and denims, we decided to build a double wooden wall and use fabricates and denims as insulation between wall spaces. Thinking about the Texas temperatures in the summer, we decided to build a small air conditioner inside of our doghouse to make sure it has good air flowing and temperature control. But we don't want to use additional electricity, so we decided to insert a windmill on top of the doghouse to generate clean energies. The windmill will connect to an alternator and charge batteries, and those batteries will power up our air conditioner.
Most of the roadblocks with our doghouse had to do with the structure. Initially, we wanted to incorporate a rounded interior for the ceiling to prevent any sharp corners that might be dangerous for the dog, while maintaining the sloped exterior to prevent the accumulation of rainwater. However, this was very difficult to do with the software given, so we left the part of the rounded interior out. We also wanted to use Ecobricks for the exterior, but we found that they wouldn't form the best structure because they can be heavy and have a water bottle shape. Ecobricks also might not be the safest option for a dog because a dog can chew through the plastic. We opted for a double layer of wood because it's sturdier and safer for the dog. From this experience, we hope to gain a better understanding of the possibilities of construction with sustainable materials and familiarize ourselves with different software. Through this project, we learned how to use 3D modeling and how to consider health factors in the design. Even though this was for a dog and it's unlikely construction for animals will be a part of our future jobs, we thought it pushed us in the right direction of how to consider health factors for humans as well. Something we would do differently in the future is incorporate the rounded interior for the roof, since the software was a limitation for that.